Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this hand embroidery flower design tutorial, I will show you all how to make beautiful woolen flower using scale and two colors of wool. Wrap the first color of wool on the scale for 15 times, then tie to secure. Now, wrap the second color of wool 15 times at the left side of the wool already on the scale. Also, move to the right side and wrap around 15 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew and secure both sides. Pull the woolen design out from the scale and attach a small pearl on it. Make the woolen design 5 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. At this point, attach a sizable pearl at the middle of the flower to make it flawless and more beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching.